Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and find suppliers on Alibaba? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer and go ahead and search for alibaba.com. Make sure that you have created your account and logged in into your account. If you don't know how to, I've already made a video on that, so you can go ahead and check that out and get back to this one. So now in order for me to go ahead and search for a supplier, so what I can do is on all categories, I can also go ahead and browse what kind of things I want a supplier for. So for example, I want shoes and accessories. I'm going to go ahead and tap on shoes and accessories, and this is where I can find high heels, women boots, there's also sandals, there's also a lot more things. As you can see, you can just scroll around right over here. There's soccer shoes and a bunch of other things. So for example, let's say that is not what I want and I want a clothing store. So let me just go ahead and look for that. So in order for me to go ahead and find that, I am just going to go ahead and scroll right over here, apparel and accessories, and then I want some t-shirts or American clothing. So I'm going to go ahead and tap on that, and this is where I can go ahead and find suppliers. So for example, these are all US manufacturers. Let's say I want verified Chinese manufacturers. Go ahead and click on verified, and there you go. There are some verified Chinese manufacturers. And now if I want to go ahead and have this clothing pieces or just check them as suppliers, I'm going to go ahead and tap on their company profile and go ahead and choose or look for all the products they go ahead and create. I can also go ahead and chat from here, and they are going to go ahead and let me know what kind of products they own. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.